6 unbelievable prompts using GPT-4. Let's just jump into the video. So my first prompt is this. Again, I found these prompts online. So I'm telling the model to write me a summary of 1984. And I'm gonna say main topic, theme of the book, key ideas, chapter titles, key takeaway, and then biggest takeaway in a singular sentence. I'm also saying markdown output as headings. It summarized the whole book. The book is approximately say 250 pages. Summarize the whole books, and now it's extracting key idea, main and the central theme in the book, so I know this is correct. You can see how great this looks. You can directly copy this and paste it on your website if you're creating book summaries. This is how good it is. You don't need to edit anything. Everything from headers to subtopics. Author's background is present in the book. Also compares it with other books. It also has the target audience or intended readers, the critical reception, the publisher, recommendation. So by the way, don't worry about these two tabs. I'm also simultaneously making a video on the open source GPT model, and it's taking quite some time to download in the system. So I decided to kind of make this video first. Anyway, these are the similar recommendations that I should be reading. And then it's finally summing up with the final statement. This is number one statement. Imagine how you can change the game. Something like this. You can just make a list of books, summarize them like this, and post it on your website. Great business idea. Try the second prompt really quickly. Of a fun prompt where I'm telling ChatGPT to describe everything I say in form of an emoji. The text I'm adding is ChatGPT will take my job. There you go. This is me crying. What job? This is what? Boom. I'm telling it to try 1984 now. You can see it included all of these elements. Next, I'm going to try a professional writer. I'm going to take text from here. I'm going to paste it here. Let's see what kind of summary. Not doing a bad job at all. Created the main header. Now it's kind of summarizing what is written in the document. Did this main header. It's on data collection now, I guess. See, the whole text is messed up. GPT very clearly understands how to fine tune and take the data. Exactly like how it is in the PDF itself. Okay, so it's also now going ahead and doing the tone analysis. Because that's also something we've told the model to do. It's also kind of showing you the corrections made and the explanations on why these corrections were made. This is what, third prompt? We have 3 more to go. Go to the fourth one now, and we'll generate some social media posts this time. So I'm going to say generate 10 tweet thread about generative AI basics. Tweet should not exceed 280 characters. And use this before, but not use this on GPT-4. Obviously, this is not the most natural content, but the fact that it's kind of used emoji and makes it just look more natural, which is why I'm also scared looking at the output itself. So it's covered everything from what is generative AI to the ethics to also summarizing what is just discussed. So super cool. You can just copy this thread, replace this with what you want, and you can generate things like this. Let's try a more unconventional where we'll tell GPT to act as an attorney who specializes in privacy policy creation. You add your website here, and the type of website and the kind of website that you're running, and it will be able to generate the privacy policy for you. Let's try. I don't know about you, but the fact that it could do all of that is scary. Okay, looks like it's kind of created the privacy policy from just getting the link to the website and the landing page. Right, so pretty interesting stuff. Finally, I'm going to try an email sequence. So professional email subject lines, copywriter, catchy and attention subject line, blah, blah, blah. So the email is about generative AI course. It's kind of created 5 subject lines. What is interesting is that if you want it to have certain style, you can give things like this, right? So use formula for emails. Make it about prompt engineering. There you go. Right, so it will put together 5 new subject lines taking into consideration the formula you gave plus the new topic that you want to write. This can automate your entire email cadence journey, right? So really interesting things happening in AI as of right now. And GPT-4, in my personal opinion, is crazy powerful, right? Finally going to be my last prompt for this video. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.